So here we have these two cities A and B that are located 610 kilometers apart, and then 8 a.m. So as you're reading this question, try to put some kind of a schematic that helps you visualize. Alonso began driving along the highway from city A to B at an average speed of 90 kilometers per hour, and then Ryan began at 9:30 a.m. going in this direction at 100 kilometers per hour. So how long in hours and minutes to the nearest minute did Ryan drive before meeting Alonso? So we need to find the time it would take him past that 9:30. So the first thing we're going to do is at 9:30 a.m., where is Alonso? So he's driven for 1.5 hours because he started at 8 a.m., 9:30 a.m. And in that time frame, he would have driven 90 times 1.5. That's his speed. So that would be 135 kilometers. So I can subtract that. 610 minus 135. 5, 7, 475. Let me see. 5, 7, yeah. 475 kilometers. So Alonso would be here. That distance is 475 kilometers. And how much time it takes, right? So essentially, this is the time. Now, both of them are driving in that direction, right? So we can't just do Ryan's speed and divide 475 by that because Alonso is also moving here. So to find at what point they will meet, we have to add their speeds because Alonso is gaining 90 kilometers an hour and Ryan is gaining 100. So their combined speed is 190 kilometers, meaning that's the pace at which they are covering this distance on both sides. And when they both have covered that distance collectively, that's when they will meet. So I have to just divide 475 by 190 kilometers per hour. So let me just see. 190 times 2 is 380 kilometers. So that would be 2 hours. We'll have how much left? 475 minus 380, 95 kilometers. And if you notice, that's exactly half of that. So there would be another 30 minutes. So that's the nice thing about the GMAT is you'll get nice answers, not the 3 hours, 13 minutes. Right? So that's something you can bank on, although not a guarantee. So the answer would be 2 hours, 30 minutes, which is choice A.